Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. The Song Meter Mini ships with a single acoustic microphone. It is possible to connect a second acoustic microphone. This allows for two-channel stereo recording as well as recording with either just the left or just the right microphone. It's an easy job to connect and configure the second microphone. Let's take a look. Here is the optional second acoustic microphone. You can purchase this directly from Wildlife Acoustics and add it to your Song Meter Mini at any time. The microphone is not designed to be installed and removed repeatedly. Doing so could break the connection wire. Once the microphone is installed, it should only be removed if it needs to be replaced. I'll start by taking the lid off the Song Meter Mini. There is a nut and plastic bolt in the upper right corner. The bolt can be removed. A 3/4 inch or adjustable wrench will make the task easy. Next, thread the cable from the microphone through the hole. Don't connect the cable to the recorder yet. Be very careful that the connection wire doesn't catch or snag on anything and it turns freely. Screw the microphone into place. I'll use my wrench to give it a little extra turn. There is no need to over-tighten the connection. The plug on the end of the microphone wire has a key, so it only fits one way into the circuit board socket. Be careful not to pull on the wire, and insert the plug into the socket with the key lined up. Next, tuck the wire to the side of the SD card socket. This will keep the wire out of the way and reduce interference from the SD card to the microphone signal. That's it. The second microphone is installed. Now let's take a look at the Configurator app. I'll turn the Song Meter Mini on, and the Configurator app senses the Bluetooth beacon coming from the recorder. I'll tap the status icon, and this gives me a real-time update from the Song Meter Mini recorder. If I look to the bottom of the status screen, I see that the right microphone is listed as attached. The Configurator app already knows this Song Meter Mini has the second acoustic microphone connected. I'll hold down the pair button on the recorder and then tap the pair icon in the app. Now the Song Meter Mini and Configurator app are in full two-way communication. I'll tap the configure icon to go to the Paired Configuration Editor screen. From the Paired Configuration Editor screen, I'll go to the Acoustic Settings screen. If I tap on Channel, I see I have a choice of using both microphones for stereo recording. I also have the choice of configuring either the left or the right microphone for mono recording. The stock microphone is the left. The new optional microphone is right. There are separate gain controls for each microphone. Use these to adjust optimum recording level. Now the Song Meter Mini can be configured for stereo recording or mono recording using either the left or right acoustic microphone. The Song Meter Mini recording schedule will use the two microphones as configured in the Acoustic Settings screen. If a single microphone is configured, a mono wave file will be recorded. If both microphones are enabled, a stereo wave file will be recorded. Thank you for watching.